Hi friends, next topic we are going to discuss about it, linkage. What is linkage? The tendency of two or more genes to remain together in the original combination in the same chromosome during the process of inheritance for a number of generations is called linkage. The tendency to two or more genes remain together in the original combination of same chromosome for number of generation, which is also called linkage. They will be in the original combination on the same chromosome for the number of generation. It is also linkage. So all the genes on chromosomes are said to be linked to one another. So the linkage theory, it is discovered by Thomas Hunt Morgan in the year 1911. He discovered in Drosophila melanogaster. Linkage, it was found in Drosophila, sweet pea, maize and human being. Now, what is the characteristic of linkage? Its linkage contain many genes, or its chromosome contain many genes. The genes are arranged in linear fashion on the chromosomes. The gene is present in the chromosome are linked. The linked genes are inherited from the parent to offspring. Linkage is a rare phenomenon when compared to crossing over. The strength of this linkage depends upon the distance between linked gene. If it is closely located gene, strong linkage; widely located gene, weak linkage. So linkage do not follow Mendel's law, especially independent assortment. When two dominant genes are located on one homologous chromosome, the recessive gene on other homologous chromosome and recessive gene on other homologous chromosome are arrangement of linked gene is Trin's arrangements. When the dominant and recessive genes are linked on the one chromosome arrangement, which is also called trans arrangements. All the linked genes are homologous pair of chromosome constitute of one group are called linkage group. There are two types of linkage. One is complete linkage, another one is incomplete linkage. Previously I said that tendency of chromosome remain together in original combination for a number of generations, which is also called linkage. The theory discovered by Thomas Hunt, where it discovered Drosophila melanogaster, right? So they are linked together. The characteristics, they are in many genes. They are linear in fashions. The linked genes always inherited together. The linkage is rare phenomenon when we compare to the crossing over. When we based on the distance, if it is closed located gene, which is strong linkage, it will happens. Widely located gene, which is weak linkage happens. Mendel law of inheritance, it is not universal in the linkage. Do not follow law of independent assortment. So it is they have a cis and trans arrangement occur. So the chromosome combine together and form a group. It is called as linkage group. There are two types: complete linkage, another one is incomplete linkage. Now, how it is linkage it happens? So already I said that this theory is discovered in Drosophila. Drosophila have two things. One is gray body is dominant over black color, and dominant another color vestigial wings. The gene for the two color, so color of the body, length of the wings. These two things, color of the body, length of the wing, linked in the same chromosome, gray and long. So capital G and capital L, black, vestigial, small g and small l. When the fly with gray body, long wing, capital G, capital L, it's crossed with another fly having black body, vestigial wing, which is have small g and small l. When the F1 generation, the individual having gray body and long wing, capital G, small g, capital L, small l. When the F1 hybrid, male hybrid, is crossed with test cross, they'll get a double recessive parents. The F2 contain two type of dominant individual, two type of recessive individual. The ratio is 1:1:1:1. So it's a test cross ratio. So in the F2 generation, all the fly like their parents. There is no new combination it formed. This is because of the gene capital G is linked with capital L in one chromosome, and the gene small g and linked with small l linked with another chromosome. During gamete formation, they cannot segregate independently. Only two type of gametes are formed, resulting the formation of two types of combination in F2 generation. The resulting offspring are resembling the grandparents. So this is because capital G is linked with capital L, and the other gene capital small g is linked with small l. So this is a gray body female and black body vestigial male. When we cross it, we can get gray long body. So when we test the test cross, we'll get it 1:1 ratio. So next we move to this complete linkage. In which, what is complete linkage? In which two or more gene character inherited together for number of generations. Genes are closely associated, tend to inherited together. No breaking in the chromosomes. Young one inherit only the parental characters. New character do not appear among these young ones. Linkage produce only parental combinations. The phenomenon is very rare. It is found in male Drosophila. So the F1 male hybrid backcrossed with its recessive female parents. The F1 male hybrid produce only two type of gametes, in which linked with this capital G and capital L, and R small g and small l are inherited together. Only two types of offspring is produced in the F2 generation in equal number, 50-50 ratio. Crossing over does not occur in the complete linkage. For example, body color and shape of the wing in male Drosophila, bent wings, shaven bristle in the fourth chromosome in Drosophila. So this is a gray body, normal wing, black body, vestigial. So when we cross, okay, we'll get gray body, normal wing, gray body, normal wing. So we'll get a gray body, normal wing. So gray F1 cross, gray body, normal wing, along with this black vestigial, it's a recessive parent. We'll get it 50-50 ratio. Gray body, normal wing, and black body, vestigial. Only parental character expressed. There is no crossing over occur in the complete linkage. Next we move to this incomplete linkage. So incomplete linkage, it is the separation of linked gene during inheritance is called incomplete linkage. The separation of linked gene during inheritance is called incomplete linkage. The linked gene are separated due to crossing over. Why it is separation, or why it occur? Because of this crossing over. Here the chromosomes it break into pieces. For example, body color and wing shape in female Drosophila, or seed color and seed shape in maize, flower color and pollen grain shape in sweet pea. So the linked gene are certain occasion only they separate. This is lead to formation of new combination among this young one. Due to breakage of chromosomes during gametogenesis, especially in the meiosis process. The breakage of chromosome is lead to separation of linked gene. They will produce new combination will appear. New genic combinations, the offspring will produce F2 generation are different from the parental in the phenotype and genotype. So accidental breakage of chromosome segments or linked gene resulting new combination will appear. The female will produce 4 type of gametes. So among these 4 types, 2 type of gametes carry the new combination due to separation of linked gene. For example, capital G is separated from capital L joined with small l. In the same way, capital L joined with small g. the combination of different from original combinations. The type of inheritance differ from the independent assortment. The ratio will get it in the F2 generation 1:1, 1:1 ratio. So this is a gray body long wing, black body vestigial wing. So we'll get it F1 generation gray body long wing. So here it's similar parent gray body long wing, which we'll get it to the not test cross, we'll get it to the new character 2. So what is the importance of linkage? So linkage, it gives variability among the individual. Okay, linkage, it control the different desirable characters, especially in the plant breeding techniques. So linkage between gene controlling two different desirable character will be helpful in simultaneous improvement both the characters. Linkage is undesirable when desirable and undesirable gene, desirable and undesirable genes are linked together. Linkage present in variation in evaluations. Linkage, it is a gene of desired traits characters help the plants and animal breeds in the hybridization programs. So linkage gives variability. It's produced different desirable characters in the plant breeding techniques. So they can produce simultaneously. We can improve the character desirable and undesirable characters. Okay, they are linked together. We can find out the evaluations, and we can through linkage we can find the hybridization program. Will get good hybrid. Will get it. Thank you for this opportunities you given to me to sharing with this linkage. Thank you so much.